Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to do general love reading for Virgo at sign for the month of September. This is general, may or may not resonate everyone. So let's see what's the messages for you Virgo for the month of September. Wow, 10 of cups. Ooh, lot of cards. The star. Okay, 3 of cups. You are celebrating your love life. Everything is going fine because 10 of cups and 3 of cups and the star. Yeah, this is very positive start for you. But here the moon. See, let's see. 9 of pentacles, 6 of wands. I think you or your person could be Pisces also. Something is hidden in this connection. One person hides something from other person. 9 of pentacles. I think one person is very abundant in this connection. They are working on their career and they want success in both love life and career also. It could be you also or your person. Energy could be vice versa. But you both want this connection and you both want celebrate this connection and they both want to take this relationship to next level. I am getting. So let's see the sun. Wow, 2 of swords, 2 of pentacles. I think one person in this connection is at some crossroads. They are juggling between two things. I think career and you could be juggling or your person could be juggling right now. But they will make decision. The decision is very positive. The sun. So let's see what the decision. You or your person right now at some crossroads. Ace of pentacles. Yeah, I think you choose your person between two things. It could be any, or your person could choose you even though there are obstacles in near future. Yeah, King of pentacles. Definitely commitment. They want to offer commitment to you. They choose you or you choose your person instead of anything. So let's see your person energy right now, what they are up to. Little bit. Here we go. King of wands, 7 of cups, Queen of pentacles, Queen of swords. Yeah, some communication is coming. Your person is very clear about their intentions and they are fantasizing about you a lot and there is a lot of passion between both of you. King of wands and a Queen of pentacles. They want to share everything with you. Yeah, the world, some cycles are going to be completed between both of you. Yes, they want to offer long-term commitment to you or you are going to be offer long-term. Yeah, Hierophant. Yes, your person want to offer commitment. In past they didn't, but now they want to offer commitment to you. Hermit. Yeah, they are spiritual awakening. So they will take action towards you, but it will take time because right now they are in hermit mode. After this complete spiritual awakening, see here, 6 of cups. Yeah, you both have strong soulmate and past life connections with each other. And King of cups. Yeah, they have emotions for you. They want to offer a cup of love to you. Definitely they have strong emotions for you. You or your person could be Pisces, Cancer, Scorpio. Lot of water energies here. And Aries, Leo, Sag or Capricorn, Virgo, Taurus, Gemini, Libra, Aquarius. All signs are here. Something is hidden in this connection that should be resolved first. You person have strong emotions for you. You also have strong emotions for your person. Definitely they will offer commitment, but patience and balance is needed because right now they are in hermit mode. But they have a lot of passion for you. Strong passion for you. And last card. Yeah, Ace of wands, new beginning. Definitely your person want to offer new beginning and they are waiting for new beginnings with you. So this is the reading for you Virgo. Hope it resonates to you. Please do share, like and subscribe my channel. Please do support me guys. Bye.